Hi guys, this is my Honda CRF 250L and today I want to tell you about my big fail. It seems like the worst thing I've ever done to my motorcycle. So I decided to remove the old decals from my Honda and put on a new set. Let's check it out. So this is a set of new stickers and this is what the old stickers look like on my Honda. They were torn in some places and worn out. I want to replace the old stickers with new ones, and for this I need a heat gun, alcohol, or maybe a solvent and some rag. So first you need to remove the old stickers. If you try to do this, you will see that the stickers break like a dried leaf. That is, the sticker file has already dried and lost its elasticity. For this, I strongly recommend using a heat gun. The heat gun softens the properties of the sticker and makes it easier to peel off. It's still not that easy to do, but it's much easier than without heating. So you have to heat and peel off the sticker again and again until you remove it completely. The next step is to wipe the surface from the remains of glue and dirt. I hope to use a mixture of alcohol and liquid salt for this, but it did not cope with it, so I decided to use a light solvent. Only after that I continued to clean the surface with alcohol and liquid soap. After that, you need to dry and heat the surface before applying your new decals. You can perceive everything that happens next as a mistake, because everything I did showed bad results. So I stuck the decal on the front fender of the motorcycle and started heating the decal while blowing the air bubbles out from under the decal. Although not all stickers from the set fit perfectly and some had the wrong shape. Or maybe I did something wrong. What can you advise? I want to say that this work took me about 2 days. I worked for probably 3 hours every day to glue all the stickers except the tail part. I did not glue the sticker on the tail of my Honda because the trunk and additional canister are placed on top, which hide the sticker almost completely. Finally, I removed the protective film from the stickers and found too many bubbles under the surface of the stickers. Let's check what I got. So I fixed some issues, tried to align the stickers and remove the bubbles, and this is what I got in the end. What do you think about of this disparity? So I continued putting decals on my motorcycle. There is no way back. And now one part of the motorcycle is almost done. Check how it looks now. And if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. And I continue to put new stickers on my Honda, and now I move to the front part of the motorcycle. The next day I started gluing the other side of the motorcycle. To be honest, this part of the motorcycle turned out better for me than the previous one. Experience may be required. How do you think? Now let's check what I got. I accept your criticism and ask you to leave comments on the updated look of my Honda. If this video was interesting or useful for you, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you guys.